rock sliders on your Defender 90. Hello, my rover friends. Welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today, I'm going to take you step by step, show you how to install a set of signature rock sliders on your Defender 90. All right, let's get into it. Now that we have the Defender up in the air, I'm going to bring you in with the camera and show you all the little bolts that we're trying to get out. Essentially, we're removing this sill piece right here. Oh, don't hit your head on the lift, it hurts. There's a bunch of little bolts underneath it. They're all 10 mils, pretty easy. Let's have a look. Right here is a 10 mil that you got to get the little rubber spat off, or fender flare as we call them here. Underneath this gem, this guy told me he never took it off-road. We are looking for this little setup here. You can just take the bracket off there, or if you want to get them both, but that'll pop off. There's another one back here. And then finally, whoop, this one right here and this upper, but you're gonna put this upper back because it holds the side of the bodywork together. I'm really starting to think this guy took this car off-road. Oh, never off-roaded. Don't believe him. Jesus. A little bit of dirt. By the way, there's another one right here. I forgot to tell you when I was walking through. I missed it because of all the dirt. Sorry, my friends, I lied to you. There's another one hidden right up in here. It'd be a lot easier to see if it wasn't so dusty. It's not even muddy, it's just dust. All right, but anyways, that's what they look like. Doop, 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 doop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts gotta come out. Done with you. Now that we have the little trim piece out of the way, you want to find one of these outriggers. They're both the same, left to right. The hardware off, expose the end, and we're going to slide it right in to that body mount. We want it to be level. If you got it crooked, it's going to look weird. You can probably still bolt them up to a little bit, but nice and level. Go on the other side, on the inside of the frame, put this hardware on and tighten it down. With our outrigger in place, we're gonna go to the front and take off this bolt right here. I'll bring the camera in so you can see which one I'm talking about. Okay, this nut right here has to come off of the main front body bolt. It's a 19 mil. You don't have to get the bolt out, we just gotta get this nut off so that we can use that mounting point for the rock slider. You're gonna wanna save that and the washer. Next up in your hardware kit, you're gonna wanna get these bolts. They're a 17 mil socket head. We're gonna be putting them through this outrigger and the rock slider. I like to get one ready to go. And then we're going to slide the rock slider onto that bolt right here, gently put it in place and get this other bolt to hold it. Then we can get under the vehicle and align everything nice and pretty. This should be fun to watch at home because I'm probably gonna drop the slider. We're gonna go ahead and put that nut washer back on the front bolt, and then we're gonna use the rest of the hardware to get it loosely in place. You wanna be able to, trying to talk, you wanna be able to adjust the rock slider so that we can even it on the body lines. I'm gonna hyper speed through that for you, and then when we get to the part where we gotta measure, I'll show you what I do. Before we measure anything, we want to make sure that the rock slider is pushed all the way in on that front bolt. Give it a little bit of a snug, but not super tight because you want to be able to move it up and down. Then I come over to the front, I give it a measurement. I'm looking at about a 1/2 inch there. And we're going to pick this up. And look at that. Right about a 1/2 inch. Right about a 1/2 inch. A little bit lower. Bingo. With the measurements where they need to be, tighten everything down, and then we're gonna move to the next outrigger. Here is the center outrigger. There's a left and a right, but the good news is they're both the same. The goal is to set it up to your frame. Pay attention here, depending on what frame you have, you may or may not have existing holes. On this old NAS frame, it doesn't have the holes. We're just gonna set it in place, mark it where it needs to go, drill some small holes, then we can bolt it up, bolt it to the rock slider, and we'll be almost done with this job. Here's the outrigger. We're gonna slide it into place. That's our mounting point. We wanna make sure that those holes line up, and then the base is nice and flush to the frame. Take your marker. Whoa, that's a lot of marker. And 2. Drop it down, drill 2 quick holes, bolt everything up. There you have it, my friends. Pretty easy install. Those sliders look fantastic, leaving one more thing to do. Be sure to follow.